first you have to scrape whatever is okay, I'm gonna use some spackling. As you see, spackling. I'm gonna use those spackling. Those spackling is pink when you use it and dry, so it turn white. When it turn white, so you know it's ready to paint and sand it and paint it. So I'm gonna start using that. There you go. A little more here. Patch that. So when that turned to white, so I know it's ready to sand it and paint it. So probably sometimes you have to patch it one more time after you sand it. So I will see how it's gonna look after I sand it. If you need it, I patch it again and let it dry and sand it again and ready to paint. You see the color has been changed to the white. You see here is a little more pink, but the area is already dry. So in a couple more minutes I'm gonna start sanding it and it's ready to paint. Subscribe my channel. In my channel I show you how to fix a problem around your home. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.